Wouldn't you like to see this message from YouTube? Well done! In October you gained 33% more subscriptions than usual. What's going on? Your videos are attracting new audiences and you're convincing them to subscribe. If your channel continues to grow at this rate, you'll reach 50,000 subscriptions this month instead of the 2 months it may have taken otherwise. More subscriptions than usual. You gained 1,358 subscriptions, more than the 800 to 1,300 you typically gain in a month. Wouldn't you like to see that kind of inspiring message at the beginning of next month? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple hack on how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube so you can see your channel grow. Hi, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified immediately when I upload new videos. Number 1, identify the videos that got the most subscribers. Here's how to find the videos on your channel that got the most subscribers.
Log into YouTube channel, click on YouTube Studio Beta, click Analytics. Here you can see how many subscribers you got in the last 28 days. If you click the drop down, you can see how many subscribers you got in the last 7 days, 90 days, 365 days, lifetime, or you can even do custom. Click See More. The subscribers column shows you the videos that are getting the most subscribers on your channel over the last 28 days. You can change this by just clicking on the drop down and selecting 90, 365, lifetime, or even custom. It will show you the number of views, watch time minutes, impressions, and impressions click-through rate. You can also add more stats to these columns by clicking on the plus sign. I can add average view duration, which is the estimated average minutes watched per view for the selected content. Click the plus again, select overview, and I can select average percentage viewed, which is the average percentage of a video your audience watches per view. As you can see, my second top video got 53.9% average percentage viewed. It also got a 14.3% impressions click-through rate. This measures how often viewers watch the video after seeing an impression.
Are there other ways to identify the top videos on your channel that get the most subscribers?
Here's how to use MorningFame to find the videos that gained the most subscribers in the past week. Click Login, click Analytics Report, click Traction, scroll down to how much did each video contribute to grow your channel, click Subscribers Gained. You'll see a list of videos on how many subscribers they gained. You can also click on Strategy and look at your growth opportunities. It says create more of these. These videos perform well overall. Build on this success by creating more videos like these ones.
VidIQ is a free Chrome extension that helps you identify the top videos getting the most subscribers.
If you have the free Chrome extension VidIQ installed on your channel, you can click Channel Audit. It'll show you the top 3 videos that gained the most subscribers in the last 30 days. If you upgrade to the paid version, you can choose 60 days or 90 days.
Number 2, make your most popular video your channel trailer. When people visit your channel homepage, they're probably going to check out your channel trailer. However, if your channel trailer's only got a few hundred views and a few hundred subscribers, they might leave your channel homepage. Instead, use the video that got the most subscribers as your channel trailer. You already know it's a proven winner that attracted a lot of views and subscribers, so use it. Number 3, add your most popular videos in the first section of your channel homepage. For example, I identified the top videos on my channel that got the most subscribers and the most traffic, then created a playlist called Best of Drost Video. I added that playlist to the top section of my channel homepage. So when first-time visitors visit my channel homepage, they'll see the videos that got the most traffic on my channel. Number 4, make a better video. Since you've already identified the videos that are getting the most subscribers on your channel, create more of those types of videos. For example, you can even use the same title of your best performing video, but make the video longer and more engaging. Approach the topic from a different angle. Use a different hook. Include B-roll and transitions to reset the attention of your viewers. This will help your viewers to remain engaged throughout the duration of your video. Another thing you can do is to improve the click-through rate by redesigning your thumbnail and testing different thumbnails. If you improve the click-through rate of your YouTube video, YouTube will surface more of your videos on other people's channels. The same will happen if you improve the audience retention and the watch time of your videos. Number 5, create a video series. The purpose of creating a video series is to get more watch time on your YouTube videos. The goal of YouTube is to keep people on the YouTube platform. So if you create a video series, people will take a deeper dive into your content and binge watch your videos. One of the ways to do this is to create videos around similar topics of your top performing videos. When viewers take a deeper dive into your content, by watching a series of videos in your playlist, they'll be more motivated to subscribe to your channel. Number 6, create an official playlist for your video series. The beauty of an official playlist is that the videos in that playlist will be suggested to your viewers based upon their browsing behavior. Make sure you optimize the title and description of that official playlist. Also, select the best thumbnail from one of the videos in the playlist. After you've got a lot of traffic to your playlist, identify the best performing video in that playlist and move it to the top of your playlist. The top performing video in your playlist is already being proven as a winner, so use it to motivate people to binge watch the rest of your videos. Number 7, link each video to your playlist. Use cards and end screens to link to the next video in your playlist. So instead of viewers just watching one video, give them an opportunity to take a deeper dive into your content by watching more of the videos in your playlist. You can also pin that playlist to the top of your comments, so when people go to comment on your video, they'll see the playlist. Add the playlist to your description, so when people check out your description, they'll be given the opportunity to check out more of your videos. Here are some bonus tips. Number 1, ask viewers to subscribe in your video. You can ask them in the beginning, at the end, or both, but give them a reason to subscribe. Number 2, add a subscribe watermark across all the videos on your channel.
A small icon will appear at the bottom right of each video.
Click the link in the card to watch my video on how to do this. Number 3, keep track of your best performing videos. Visit YouTube Analytics to identify your top performing videos. See which ones are getting the highest click-through rate, audience retention, and watch time.
YouTube will place a card like this at the beginning of each month if your channel has grown.
Let me ask you a question. Do you want to know how to rank your videos on the first page of YouTube so you can generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot? If that's yes, watch my next video on how to rank YouTube videos for beginners. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.